Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide your photos in gallery on iPad 9th Gen. First go into Gallery app, then choose a photo you want to hide. I'm gonna hide this one. To hide it, click on three dots in top right corner, then click on Hide and hide photo. Now the photo has been hidden. To find it, either scroll down until you find Utilities and Hidden, then enter your Touch ID or passcode to view the hidden album, and you can see the hidden photos. These are all of the photos I have hidden. Or you can also hide the hidden album so it will not be displayed in the utilities. To do that, go to Settings, then go to Apps, go to Photos, and now disable or enable Show Hidden Album. And now in Photos you will not see hidden album in the utilities. And you can also enable hidden photos the same way if you can't find them here and want to access them. So let's enable it, and it's back in Photos. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.